Number 4 on my list is the Milwaukee. Now this is a good router, guys. It feels good in the hand. It's a solid router. It's got a ton of power. The one thing I'm not a big fan of is the micro adjustment. It tends to bind up a little bit as I'm adjusting it. And the biggest issue for me is that it's $200. It's one of the most expensive routers that we have. For that price, I would like a little bit better micro adjustment. Guys, I'm cheap. I don't like spending money, even though Dad spends the money on the routers. But I just think for $200, there's better options out there.